All right, so I'm out in the garage again, and I've been rearranging and trying to make room as much as I can. So I took a bunch of tools that I had into the house and built some shelving in the house, and working to make more room, which I am and have been somewhat successful. As you can see here, I've got some real estate between my tools and the car. I've got bicycles and whatnot packed on the other side of the garage over there. I got the heat rolling because it's a nominal 5 degrees outside, which is absolutely insane, and it's supposed to be and remain that cold for the rest of the week. It's only Monday. So with the car, I got to get rid of these leaded joints. So I'm hoping that maybe some people can let me know in the comments on the best way to do that. So I'm going to be researching that out. I bought some new wheels for my drum sander. So I'm going to be getting down to business, stripping this thing down, and my intention is to get the car down to bare metal and then cover it in epoxy to evaluate what fully I have to do. There's a good fair amount of work that I'll be able to get done just based on what's pretty visible now. I'll be getting the column out of there, still needing to pull the rest of the dash out, and then I'll be getting the inside cleaned up, and I'm just going to be spotting what I need to spot, and then I will paint what needs painted. But ultimately the inside is pretty clean. So again, I'm going to ask if you could leave me some suggestions in the comments what I should do with the leaded joints. I'm happy that they're still there, but I do see some lines where they meet, and I don't know, about letting it, because I sure don't know what to do. And as you can see there's a crack. So I'm hoping that I can figure out what to do, if I can clear the lead out and then tack in a panel, which I've done before on the El Camino, but I'm just not 100% sure how I'm going to approach that. Anyway, that's all I got for you tonight, and as soon as it warms up I'll be getting out here, because it's a little difficult for the heat to keep up, and I want to be comfortable. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment.